Quick tip on Silver-jet maintenance. First, remove the length adjustment knobs. On the top of version 2 or on the side of version 1. Then, remove the top screws and lift the lid on version 2 or lift and tilt the top of your version 1. Check the spray motor assembly. We will be focusing on the wheel and its contact with the grip tape. First, loosen the screws below the assembly. Apply pressure to the wheel and assembly and tighten the screws. Check that the sprayer is moving across its intended path. Once confirmed, reattach the top or close the lid on the version 1 and tighten the screws on version 2. Screw the adjustment knobs back into place and set to your desired length. Now get back to work.